Hello friends. Welcome to my channel TT Technical Teach for Alien. Today I am going to show you how to fix a corrupted memory or pen drive. This strategy will not work in the case of totally wasted memory or pen drive. Without wasting time, let's look at the computer screen and see how to do it. I have installed a 32 GB pen drive on my PC, but when the properties are open, it shows 0 bytes. Let's fix the problem. Press the Window plus R button on the keyboard. Now type CMD and press Enter. Disk part and press Enter. Now type list disk and press Enter. Now we can see two disks, disk 0 and disk 1. Disk 0 is my computer's hard disk, and disk 1 is my 32 GB pen drive. Since disk 1 is my pen drive, so I am writing disk 1. There may be something different on your computer. Type select disk 1 and press Enter. Now type clean and press Enter. Now open the disk management. Here is a 32 GB pen drive on disk 1. It has become unallocated. Right-click on Unallocated. Click on New Simple Volume. Now click on Next. Click on Next again. Click on Next. Now type TT on volume label. Click on Next again. Now click on Finish. Wait a little while. The bad pen drive is fixed. Thank you for watching this video. If this tutorial helps you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.